Hello inspiring parents, in today's video I'm going to show how we can use Mega Blocks for teaching numbers to 2 to 3 year old kids. For arranging this activity I have labeled all these blocks with the numbers on it. During this activity I was targeting numbers from 1 to 15, but you can go for the numbers whatever you want to teach to your kids. So let's get started. So first activity I have arranged using these blocks is simple matching activities. As you all know, I have created this number chart which has numbers from 1 to 30. I use the same chart for doing this matching activity, and while doing this activity my daughter has to simply find out the numbers and match those numbers from the blocks and also on the chart. I always like the number matching activities because these types of activities are very good for developing the visual cues or visual memory, which is very preliminary or first steps for understanding or recognizing numbers, as well as it gives us enough opportunity to introduce the number language to the kids so that they can also understand what kind of language goes with the particular number. It means like how to say number 14 or number 15, and that's why these types of activities are very helpful for giving them that enough opportunities or enough environment for not only recognizing the numbers but also for developing that vocabulary. So once the kids matches all the numbers, you can reverse or ask them to take back the numbers. You can say the numbers to them and ask them to put the numbers back. Next activity you can arrange using these blocks is making the towers. Mega blocks are very useful for teaching counting while building towers. You can make small towers or you can make bigger towers also, but while making towers make sure to count the numbers of blocks you are using to make the towers. Suppose if you want to go or make only the tower of 5 blocks, make sure to count the blocks while building these towers. This is a very fun and engaging way to introduce numbers to your kids. So do try these activities and let me know your comments and thoughts in a comment section below. That's it for today. See you next time with the next video.